Thanks for watching. In this short video, we will cover the Sierra Wireless LX60. We will go through what comes in the box, go over the different features of the gateway, and cover the functionality of the LED lights. Let's get started by covering what comes in the box. The gateway is front and center. There are two mounting holes to allow you to safely install the product. If desired, you can also buy a separate mounting bracket. There is a DC cable which is ideal for an in-vehicle deployment. There is also AC options available for bench testing. A ground wire is provided to protect your gateway. Finally, there's a quick start guide to help you get started. The guide offers a visual tutorial on how to insert the SIM card. You do so by removing the SIM cover, inserting the card, and reattaching the cover. Let's start in the bottom left corner with the mini USB port. This port is handy for devices that use USB, but always remember that due to its lack of a locking mechanism, this port is not usually recommended for a mobile application. Next to the USB port is the power connector. This connector is designed to lock the cable in firmly to prevent power disconnection in tougher environments. Beside this port is the reset port, which is used to reset the device when it is not functioning as desired. You can use a paper clip or similar item to perform the reset. Moving along, we find two Ethernet ports, both of the very desired high-speed gigabit variety. They can also be used in failover mode if you choose to use the gateway in conjunction with another high-speed connection, like a landline. The serial port is next. Despite people announcing its demise, this port is still heavily used in many industrial applications. We move on to the I/O or input-output ports. These ports are very underutilized, and that's a shame, as they're ideal for alerting to key pieces of information, like a door opening or a motor turning on. Let's move up to the top row. There is a ground connection provided to keep things safe. Lastly, let's touch on the 4 antenna ports. There are 2 for cellular connectivity. It's always highly recommended that 2 cellular antennas are used at all times to maximize the performance of your gateway. There is also a port for GPS location information and one to provide Wi-Fi access for 1 or more devices. Like all Sierra gateways, the LX60 comes with LED lights to provide valuable information about the functionality of your gateway. There are 6 lights on this product. Starting from the left, there is the GNSS light, which alerts to the status of your location-based information. If you have GNSS functionality disabled, the light will be off. If it is flashing green, it has not locked on to a fix, and if it's solid green, you're good to go with location-based information. Wi-Fi is the second light. If the light is off, you have disabled Wi-Fi access. This will change to a solid green when you've enabled it. A solid amber light alerts you that Wi-Fi is enabled and you are connected to a Wi-Fi access point. Flashing lights of either color tell you traffic is being sent or received. Green for being over cellular and amber for being over an access point. The next one is for network. Solid green is the best as it indicates an LTE connection, while solid amber is for a 2 or 3G network. While the device is trying to connect, it will flash green and it will flash red if there is no network available. The final state, a flashing red or amber, is alerting you to the fact that you have network operator switching enabled and it cannot locate the desired firmware. Your fourth light is for signal. You always want to strive for solid green as this indicates a good signal, like having 3 to 5 bars on your phone. Solid amber is not quite as good as it means you are getting a fair signal, more like 2 bars on your phone. Flashing amber is not ideal as it means a poor signal and you should move the device or increase your antenna strength. Finally, flashing red means no usable signal is available. The activity light lets you know if traffic is being sent or received by your gateway. Flashing green means that it's being sent or received over the WAN interface, while flashing red means it's happening over the serial port. If you're using both methods at the same time, it will flash amber. The final light is for power. No light means there is insufficient power being delivered to the device. Solid green is ideal as it means power is present. Solid red means you're in standby mode. The light might also be flashing if you are resetting the device. It will flash green to let you know when to release the button to reboot the router. Flashing red lets you know when to release the reset button to reset the router into factory default mode, while flashing amber indicates when to release the reset button to enter into recovery mode. In some cases, all lights may work in unison to alert to a situation. This is referred to as an LED chase. A green LED chase lets you know that the radio module configuration firmware is being updated, or your network operating switching functionality is in progress. While a solid amber LED light chase lets you know that you are updating your Alios software. When that software update has completed, the chase will change from amber to just solid amber lights. Finally, a red LED light chase lets you know the device is in recovery mode. The final thing we will cover in the section on LED lights are the lights present on the two Ethernet ports. The left LED light is indicative of the Ethernet connection speed. When it is off, you are at 10/100 megabits per second, while a solid green light means you are blazing at 1 gigabit per second. The red light is for activity going across the port. No light means your port is not connected, while a solid amber light means you have established a link. When you are sending traffic over such link, the amber light will flash. Thanks for taking time to watch this video. It is one of many that we have in our Gateway series. We look forward to hearing from you through one of the contact methods on the screen.